February 24th, 2026, Tuesday, US stocks plunged sharply overnight. Trump tariff news dominated market sentiment. The Dow Jones shed more than 800 points, a decline of 1.7%. S&P 500 dropped 1%. The Nasdaq fell 1.1%, completely reversing Friday's gains. Over the weekend, Trump announced he would raise global tariffs from 10 to 15%. This was his response to the Supreme Court ruling Friday that most of his tariffs were illegal. And the new duties no longer rely on the Emergency Economic Powers Act struck down by the court. Trump is using alternative legal pathways to impose tariffs. Markets reacted negatively. Trade war concerns appear far from over. The European Union reportedly paused ratification of its trade deal with the US, seeking clarification from the White House on new tariff plans. Tech stocks came under heavy pressure. Mag 7 all declined. Nvidia traded cautiously ahead of earnings. Investors worry tariffs could impact AI infrastructure investment. Highly valued tech stocks bore the brunt. Safe haven assets surged. Gold futures rose nearly 3%, hitting a new high of $5,225. Silver jumped even more at 6% to $87.40 per ounce. Bitcoin followed risk assets lower, falling to around $64,700. Crypto markets have been under pressure since the start of 2026. In the bond market, 10-year Treasury yields dropped below 4.03%, down from Friday's 4.09%. Money flowed into safe havens. The US dollar index edged lower to 97.65. Oil prices declined slightly. West Texas crude fell 0.4% to $66.20 per barrel. Key events this week: Trump delivers his State of the Union address. Tonight, markets will watch how he explains the tariff policy. Nvidia and Salesforce report earnings Wednesday after the close. This will be a critical test for tech stocks. If Nvidia delivers strong results, tech stocks could bounce back. But if results disappoint, selling pressure will intensify. If the tariff war continues escalating, global trade volumes will contract, manufacturing and retail will suffer. Inflation could reignite, putting the Fed in a difficult position. Short-term markets remain volatile. Sit tight and watch carefully before making moves. That is all for now.